Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Lancaster, or near Andrew Jackson State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wadsall, Mineral Springs, Sturtevant, Jars, Trinity, Marshville, Wingate, and Monroe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: North Carolina.
They're not.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe